around the campground. Trying to do it at least every other day, if not every day. I see Kurt's on his scooter up there. It's probably, I don't know, a mile, half mile maybe, going around the 2 loops. And it's pretty. Nice and green. It's a little tiny camper. Anyway, you can see this is the highway. And then when we, they have a dump station. It's the entrance. And then over there is the office when you come in. Sunny today. Imagine that, we're in Florida. Look out, the scooter clan. Just going to the pool down there. Hey everyone, it's pool time. Oh, that nice pool. Did I show you? They got like a little picnic area and all that. And then over here, they have a little bathhouse, bathroom. Pretty nice. All right, we're getting the windows repaired today with this little gadget on this thing. Look at that. It's gonna be nice to get the dings taken out over there. It's a nice guy. Look at this luau stuff. I got it all decked out. Isn't that fun? Wow. Campground goes all out for fun. That looks great. Looks like they have some juice. America.